content creators, you don't need to hire a cameraman anymore. Robotic Camera Man follows and tracks you automatically as you walk around recording or live streaming videos. It's great for making videos for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, fitness trainers, real estate walkthrough, cooking videos, bloggers, recording class lectures, and more. It's perfect for low-budget or solo video creators. Just turn it on to get an instant cameraman. It may pay for itself with just one use. And it's always ready to roll when you are. It uses computer vision and LiDAR technology. It has built-in Wi-Fi, powerful silent motors, variable motion sensitivity, and damping. It has smooth speed ramp up and ramp down, and it holds its position on inclines. Its special wheels help soak up bumps and jiggles to help record smoother videos. It can work both indoors and outdoors. Rollcam works with many different tripods, cameras, and lens. Use it with your favorite gimbal. Its multiple shooting modes gives you maximum flexibility. It can track you by itself or teach it a movement pattern to follow. It can track in front of you, behind you, or beside you. It's compact and easy to set up. Please help us bring this exciting device to market by backing this project. Thank you.